Use this tip to copy website text into Word quickly. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on a device. You can switch to for any browser. Then select any of the websites over here. Now as a tap on the website over here, select on the text over here. Now make a long press on the text and then drag it until wherever you would want to get the text for. So just make a long press and select the text that you want to copy for yourself and tap on copy and then go back to your Microsoft Word and select a document which may be blank as well for this new file. So just make a long press and then tap on the save or the paste option and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.